Yeah, this one you also cannot take out, and also because this one also has the section in the bottom, you can see.
Yeah.
But this one, it is with the caves, different caves here, so such you can put the meat here, beef here, rice here, or fruit here, meat here. So for clients have much more choice. This one is one cave. This one is 3 caves.
I like this one.
Yeah, it is a good choice for me. When I buy it, I saw it is very soft for babies using. It is very soft. It is and easy using it. Very soft and easy. So it is very easy to clean it. Would you like this bowl?
Yeah.
You can see this bowl. You can take out. No, you cannot.
Why?
Has a section here.
Amazing.
Section here, so you cannot. You can also try this one. This one also cannot take out, and also this one with section.